Hello friends, how are you all? So in this video I'm going to tell you the answers for exercise 2.2 grade 7 NCERT chapter 2 question 7. So the question 7 tells find a 1 by 2 of 2 by 3 and 4 2 by 9. Okay, so let's start. 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 3 by 4, which is nothing but 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. 8 plus 3 equals to 11. So it is equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by 11 by 14, which is equals to 1 multiplied by 11 and 2 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 11 by 8. Now we need to express it in the mixed fraction, as it is improper fraction. Now we need to do division. 8 ones are 8. 11 minus 8 is equals to 3. So the answer is 1 3 by 8. Now let's see the second bit. It tells 1 by 2 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 2 by 9. 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. 36 plus 2 is equals to 38. It is equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by 38 by 9, which is nothing but 1 multiplied by 38 and 2 multiplied by 9, which is equals to 38 by 18. Now we need to express it in the mixed fraction, as it is an improper fraction. 38. 18 divided by 38. So 18 multiplied by 2 is equals to 36. 38 minus 36 is equals to 2. So the answer is 2 by 18. So let's see second question. 5 by 8 of 3 by 6 and 9 2 by 3. 3 5 by 6 and 9 2 by 3. So first one, 5 by 8 multiplied by 3 5 by 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 is equals to 23. So 5 by 8 multiplied by 23 by 6, which is nothing but 5 multiplied by 23 and 8 multiplied by 6, which is equals to 115 by 48. Now, as it is in the improper fraction, we need to convert into the mixed fraction. To convert into the mixed fraction, we need to do division. 115 divided by 48. 48 multiplied by 2 is equals to 96. Now we need to subtract. 115 minus 96 is equals to 19. So the remainder is 19. So the answer is 219 by 48. Now let's see the second part of the question B. Okay, so the second question says 5 by 8 multiplied by 9 2 by 3, which is nothing but 9 2 by 3 is in a mixed fraction, so we need to convert into the improper fraction. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. So the answer is 29 by 3. So 5 by 8 multiplied by 29 by 3. Okay. Now 5 multiplied by 28 by 8 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 40 by 24. So we need to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So we need to do division. 24 divided by 140. 24 multiplied by 5 is equals to 120. So 140 minus 120 is equals to 20. So the remainder is 20. So the answer is 520 by 24. So this is the end of question 7. Hope you all understood the concept. Please like, comment, share and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day. Thank you.